Hello everyone. We are studying periodic trend in modern periodic table. Previous we are studying the first trend, that is valency. Now we are studying the atomic size. Atomic size is fundamental property of matter. The size of an atom indicated by its radius. So, the radius or the atomic radius of an atom is the distance from the center of the nucleus to outer portion of its electron cloud. Because atomic radii are so small, they are expressed using a unit that is more convenient for the size of atom. That unit is picometer, and also we can indicate it by the pm. Let us see that 1 picometer is equal to 10 raised to minus 12 meter. So, atomic radius is expressed in the unit that is the picometer, which is smaller than nanometer. Okay, then some elements and their atomic radii are given here. Let us see in the bracket, they are given us some elements. That elements are oxygen, boron, carbon, nitrogen, beryllium, and lithium. So, in use your brain power, first by referring to the modern periodic table, find out the period to which the above elements belongs. Let us see where study all the elements in table. Hence, by here in the bracket lithium, by observing lithium, beryllium, nitrogen, we can say that these are belongs to period 2. Then next, arrange the above element in a decreasing order of their atomic radii. So see here, first they are given us the symbols of the element, and below that the radius in picometer. We can arrange these elements in the decreasing order of their atomic radii. Let us see here that the period number 2 and atomic radius. Then next, first lithium, that having 152 picometer. Then beryllium radius 111, boron 88, carbon 77, nitrogen 74, and oxygen 66. Hence, we are arranging these the elements in the decreasing order of their atomic radii. Does this arrangement match with the pattern of the second period? Let us see. This all the arrangement is matched with the second period. Hence, by observing this, we can say that the biggest element or the biggest atom of this element is, that is the lithium, that having atomic radius 152, and the smallest atom that given in that bracket is that oxygen, which having the radius 66 picometer. Hence, by observing this trend, that when we are going from left to right in the period, we can see some trend here. Let us see here what is trend is there. When we are going from left to right, the atom size is get decreasing. So this trend we can observe and also we can study by the some elements that are also given the some radius, and we are arranging this radius in decreasing order of their atomic radius. So, this trend, that is atomic radius decrease as we move across the period. So, see the reason for that. As we move across the period from left to right, one proton is added. Let us see the atomic number of the lithium. That lithium is atomic number, that is 3. Then next to that is the beryllium, which having atomic number 4. Hence one electron is get added. Then boron, that is having atomic number 5. Hence again there is one proton is get added. Hence, so the nuclear charge increase, which pulls the outer electrons closer. Therefore, the size of atomic radius is decrease. Hence, when we are going from left to right in the period, we can see that the atomic size of the atom is get decrease. Then next to that, again some elements are there. First, that is the potassium, then sodium, then rubidium, cesium, and again the lithium. So by observing these elements and also their atomic radius, we are, let us see some questions are there. By referring to the modern periodic table, find out the group to which above elements are belongs. So by observing the lithium, we can say that these are the elements from group 1. So we are arranging this element in vertically downward in an increasing order of atomic radii. Let us see here. First, lithium atomic radius 152. Second, that is sodium 186. Then potassium 231. Then next, that is rubidium 244, and cesium, that is 262. So we are arranging these vertically downward in an increasing order of atomic radius. By observing this arrangement, we can say that this pattern can match the group first. Then by observing this arrangement, also the biggest atom of this arrangement is, that is the cesium, which having the atomic radius 262 picometer, while the smallest atom is lithium, which having the atomic radius 152. Then next to that, what is the periodic trend observed in the variation of atomic radii while we are going down a group? Let us see here what is the trend. Atomic radius increase as we move down a group. So why this is? As we move down a group from one element into another, an extra energy level is added, which increase the size and radius of the atom also. Let us see here. This is because while we are going down a group, a new shell is get added. Let us see here. Here is only 2 shells. Then next there are 3 shells. Then next to that there are one, two, three, four shells are present, and as we go downward to the seventh element, that is, we can see here the seventh shell are also present in the group first. So as we go down a group, new shells are get added to the elements. Therefore the distance between the outermost electron and the nucleus is goes on increasing. As a result, this the atomic size increase in spite of increasing nuclear charge. So this trend we can observe in the group, that is, as we move down a group, that the extra energy level is get added and that increase the size of the atom.